And I need a 4-foot edge. Okay. The courthouse, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, I heard corner house.
I could send it.
We're filming the hardest freaking one. That bucket is right in the way. Give me a sec.
Turn and then bend it this way.
Yep. Okay, so now you just gotta go hurry and cut it 2 inches off of that. So that's how we pop that sucker up. It might have been freaking too far away, but. And then I put the trim on top and the trim on the sides. But that's some precision, I can't even say the word. Precision cuts. So here's where we're at. The owner wanted to paint. We typically don't let that happen, and this is the reason. Super nice guy, but he's wanting to paint himself, so he's got to cut in to the drop down. And as soon as he paints this wall, we can finish the electrical on this wall. I got an inspection for my drop down next week, and then we can put our exit sign here, finish our FRP, which is this plastic stuff. So that stuff goes on, so then they're super clean, or they're easier to clean. But last time, I think we were just texturing these walls. So HVAC came and dropped these all down. We're gonna put a mini split right here. Doors in there, got all that painted and finished and everything. So our occupancy sign, because we did pass our fire code and for this space. That space, not yet, but we've passed our fire code and our occupancy, our final inspection. Had to put a sticker on this door that says, "Door must remain unlocked during business hours." Replace these 2 doors here, and this door over here replaced because it needs a panic latch. Got our base installed, our floor installed. We also epoxied back here too. But that's where we're at. It's been an exhausting 60 something hours this week we've worked here. So on that note, I'm taking off. It is Friday at like 6:40, 6:50. So on that note, I'm gonna take off. That up there there's a dampener in it. Looks like. So when it gets hot, it melts this little piece right there, and that flings shut so that the smoke and the fire can't go through this flex duct. And that dampener, we had it here instead of in the wall. And so we had to take it out, cut a hole in the wall, and then move it. So now the inspector's got to come and see that it's in the wall, and then we can pass their inspection. So here, got my beautiful truck. But here at Minisquitos, I suck at Spanish. But we put this bark in, the leaves are starting to grow. We put all the bark in over here and over there. Let's walk over here and see everything. This is where I'm doing the kitchen. So this project we're almost complete with, and I'll show that final video here in a little bit, but we did all of this, did all this bark here. Super windy, hopefully it's not. They got curtains up so you can't see anything in there. Come on this side, but hopefully you can see that sign up there. And then on this side, we have a dance studio, dance hall. So we painted the garbage bins. Got our mini split right out here. Put this door in here. Let's go in here and take a look. So that other door's there. So we got an office there. And then these lights flash multiple different colors and like strobe and all that. And then they have. So there's that one. And then there's that one. We had to paint this because people kept on scuffing it with chairs. So I ended up painting this black, and it's a thicker paint, so it helps with scuffs. Clearly not perfect, but this place has been open for a bit. And then back here we have the 2 bathrooms. That one's the women's. I don't know if Marcy, the owner's here, but nobody else, so I don't want to go in the women's, and she's in there. But little bathroom, and that bathroom is identical to this one. And then your drinking fountain, and then just a mop sink. Back in here, we got a nice quartz countertops. Sink back there. And like I said, that's her office, and then this goes to the other space. Let's see which door. Nope, I'll have to go through this one. And she's in here doing laundry, I think. Can I come through? And we did this laundry room for her. Water heater up there. That chair's for the quinceañeras?
Yes.
So it's a dance studio and a event side. An overflow, I guess you can say. So. And that is the mop sink, same as the other side. And then these are these bathrooms on this side. So, just simple bathroom, drinking fountain. Got mirrors everywhere to make it look bigger. And then we did a taller vaulted ceiling, or taller ceiling, but it's got the same lights over there too. And there's our mini split right there. And then this walks out into the kitchen space, storage and kitchen. So the kitchen is right there. So, which that light should have came on. Come on, light. There it goes. And then that is roof access there. So these tables and chairs go in here and there when they're using this as a dance studio. And this is the entrance to this place. So yeah, this goes into the other space, but then here's the door. So you enter from there, people park on this side and come in. And then we restrike this parking lot too. And so then people park out here. And a fire truck's driving past. I don't know if you guys can see that. Super fun. Another mirror. So hopefully you guys like this project. I will show you guys the commercial kitchen here in a little bit. I have like 2-3 weeks left until I get all of the material for that one to finish the hood. And I got to get a crane and everything on that next one. So look forward to showing you guys that one, but hopefully you guys like this event center and dance hall.